आपको बराह रास्त इस्लाम आबाद लिए चलते हैं, जहां वफाकी वजीर मंसूबा बंदी एहसन इकबाल तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Is in danger. So therefore I would have to say a few words. I think we all agree that water is a very scarce commodity. I think the fundamental challenge that we face is, while water is becoming a scarce commodity, we continue to deal water as a commodity item. Water has to be valued. Unfortunately, the pattern of behaviors that we have, that still shows that there is an abundance of water, whereas water is becoming quite a scarce commodity, and we are already a water stressed country and may soon become a water scarce country. Pakistan has two drivers that are driving the demand for water and creating an increased competition between different uses of water. First is the demographic challenge, the population growth, and second is the very high urbanization rate. Pakistan is the fastest urbanizing country in South Asia. So these two drivers of our society create new demand and competing demands for water usage. So therefore it is important that we use water in a responsible manner so that we can provide or cater to the needs of different sectors, whether it is agriculture, whether it is clean drinking water, or whether it is used for industry or other irrigation purposes, which is agriculture. So that requires a holistic perspective, and therefore we devised a water policy in 2018. And it was pointed out that water policy has not been implemented upon. I think while we devised this water policy, we did take some major steps to implement this water policy. The biggest challenge in water sector we face is that in Pakistan we have very little capacity for water reservoirs. And as I mentioned in my opening talk also, that the new capacity that we are hoping to add is only a replacement for the water reservoir capacity that we have lost in Mangla and Karbela. So we did start work on the Amir Bhasha Dam and Moman Dam during our tenure. But unfortunately, then in beyond 2018, we did not see any follow-up on that policy. Not just the water policy, but also the National Flood Protection Program that had been finalized and approved in 2017. And there was talk of Vision 2025. We were well on course for Vision 2025 till 2018. But then after we embraced change in our country, that path was abandoned. So there is no harm in abandoning any policy which you don't like, but then there should have been an alternate policy framework to see that how we manage the economy and how we manage our resources. So for 2018 to 2022, unfortunately, we have a period where there was no plan, neither a 5-year plan nor a long-term plan. There was no policy at work, so we were going quite on ad hocism path or status quo approach. So that has resulted many challenges for us today. So we do have that Vision 2025, that period is ending, but as part of Vision 2025, when we launched in 2013, we saw it as Pakistan's journey towards 2047, when Pakistan would be 100 years. So this journey was broken into 3 steps. First path was 2025.
वफाकी वजीर मंसूबा बंदी एहसन इकबाल वाटर वीक की तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि शहरों की आबादी तेजी से बढ़ रही है, जहां साफ पानी की दस्तयाबी एक मसला बन रही है।